Lost or damaged the battery cable for your TomTom Rider GPS navigation device? Don't let that slow you down. With the original TomTom replacement battery cable designed specifically for your Rider motorcycle GPS, you'll stay powered up and ready to ride without interruptions. This genuine TomTom battery cable taps directly into your bike's power supply, keeping your GPS charged throughout every journey. That means no more worrying about your device dying mid-ride or fumbling with temporary fixes. It's a hassle-free way to ensure your navigation stays reliable and accurate mile after mile. Installing this cable is straightforward, but for your safety and peace of mind, we recommend having a professional mechanic handle the setup. Proper installation ensures optimal performance and prevents any electrical issues while you're on the road. Keep in mind, to use this battery cable with your TomTom Rider, you'll also need the compatible TomTom motorcycle GPS mount with the RAM mount system, which is sold separately. This setup keeps your device secure and accessible, so you can focus on the ride, not your gear. The original TomTom battery cable fits a wide range of Rider models, including the 550, 550, 450, 420, 410, 400, 42, and 41. Riders across the United States have praised its quality and reliability, making it a trusted choice for maintaining your GPS's power supply. One thing to note, some users mentioned that finding the right fasteners can be a bit tricky due to the cable's small gauge wire. However, once installed, the cable performs consistently and keeps your device charged without fail. If you're looking for a dependable way to keep your TomTom Rider GPS powered on every trip, this original replacement battery cable is worth considering. It's built to last and designed to work seamlessly with your motorcycle's electrical system. Ready to stay connected on the road? Try the TomTom Rider replacement battery cable when you're ready to upgrade your setup. Reliable power means uninterrupted navigation, exactly what every rider needs.